Your truck bed gets beat up every time you load it. The 7 best truck bed liners in 2026, from a cheap aerosol can to a premium drop-in liner, are exactly what stops that. Researched picks, all DIY installable, all linked in the description. Stick around till the end. The number 1 is the only liner on this list that needs no paint at all. Starting at number 7, the Herculiner Aerosol Spray. Best cheap aerosol for touching up an existing bed liner. Your liner has a scratch or a worn cut-in around the wheel wells. Buying a full kit to fix one spot is a waste. This aerosol handles that. First, a 15-ounce can. Hit cut-ins, edges, and scratches in seconds. No brushes, no rollers, no mixing. Next, texture match to Herculiner kits. Patch a worn spot and the repair blends instead of standing out. Finally, works beyond the bed. Bumpers, trim, wheel wells, undercoating with whatever's left. Cons: only 6 to 7 square feet of coverage. Not for full bed coatings. Solvent-based smell during application. Best for owners patching scratches on an existing liner. Not for anyone coating an entire empty bed. At $11.99, the cheapest fix in the truck bed liner aisle. Worn spot or chipped corner, this handles it. At number 6, the Rust-Oleum Truck Bed Coating Spray. Best budget aerosol for protecting a full bed. Your factory paint chips the second a toolbox slides across it. A shop install is overkill for basic protection. Cans handle it. First, 20 square feet of coverage per can. Far more bed per dollar than other aerosols. Next, any angle spray comfort tip. Sprays sideways and upside down, reaches into corner welds and under rails. Finally, stops rust formula. Bonds to bare or primed metal with a textured non-skid finish. Cons: a 6.5-foot bed needs multiple cans. Aerosols build a thinner film than roll-on. 1 hour dry per coat stretches the job across a day. Best for smaller beds, partial recoats, tight budgets. Not for anyone wanting one-and-done full bed coverage. At $11.97, the cheapest full bed aerosol on the page. Tight budget? Stack a few cans and spread. At number 5, the Rust-Oleum Stops Rust 1 Quart. Best mid-budget pick for partial coats and rust spot repair. Aerosols build too thin a film for daily abuse. A full gallon kit is overkill if you only need a tailgate or one rusted floor section. A quart sits exactly between. First, water-based formula that contours to the bed, flows into welds and seams, builds a textured, non-skid surface. Next, 40 square feet per quart. Covers a tailgate, a small bed, or a major repair section without buying more. Finally, spray, brush, or roller compatible. Pick your tool, no separate kit needed. Cons: water-based cures slower in cold weather. Less aggressive texture than solvent-based. Won't cover a full 6.5-foot bed from 1 quart. Best for tailgate refreshes, rust spot repairs, partial recoats. Not for full bed builds or aggressive grip. At $26.97, the cheapest way to do a real repair without buying a full kit. Patching, not painting? This is the can. Coming in at number 4, the Herculiner 1-gallon roll-on kit. Best DIY kit for a clean full bed coat. You want a real full bed coating, not a partial, not a touch-up. Doing it yourself sounds intimidating without the right tools. This kit handles that. First, a full toolkit in the box. Gallon of liner, brush, 2 rollers, handle, abrasive pad, gloves. Open it and start. Next, original solvent-based formula. Cures harder than water-based competitors. Won't chip, flake, or peel. Finally, works on metal, wood, fiberglass, and most plastics. Same gallon coats a trailer floor or boat deck. Cons: 24-hour full cure keeps the truck out of service. Solvent fumes mean outdoor work only. Best results take 3 coats. Best for first-time DIYers wanting a complete full bed coat. Not for anyone chasing a pro spray gun finish. At $89.09, the most popular full bed kit you can buy. New bed in a weekend? Start here. At number 3, the Custom Coat 1-gallon spray-on kit. Best entry pro spray kit with gun included. Roll-on leaves a stippled, brushed surface. A real shop spray install is expensive. You want shop-grade smooth without the shop bill. This kit does that. First, a complete 1-gallon kit. 4 base bottles, 4 hardener bottles, and a custom coat spray gun with regulator. Nothing extra except a compressor. Next, an easy 3-to-1 mix ratio. Pour, shake, shoot. No math, no measuring. Finally, 110 to 130 square feet of coverage. Full 8-foot bed plus tailgate with leftover. Cons: needs an air compressor to run the gun. Hardener sets fast once mixed. Work the whole bed in one session. Outdoor install only. Best for DIYers who already own a compressor. Not for anyone wanting to skip the equipment. At $119.99, the cheapest way to spray a pro finish at home. Got a compressor? This is the move. Quick reminder, if this is helping, like and subscribe. All links are in the description. Now, the top 2 picks. At number 2, the Raptor Liner Spray-On Kit. Best DIY spray kit from the most recognized name in the category. Generic spray-on kits are a gamble. You want the brand pros actually use without paying for a pro shop install. This is that brand. First, a 2K urethane formula. Stays flexible under load, deadens road noise and vibration. Same chemistry the pros use. Next, a ultraviolet resistant base. Won't fade chalky gray after 1 summer of direct sun. Finally, includes a spray gun in the kit. Fill, shake, and shoot. Or roll and brush it on for a custom texture if you don't have a compressor. Cons: spray gun needs a compressor. Multi-step prep. Clean, scuff, etch prime before coating. Kit covers a 6 to 8 foot bed. Exact size matters. Best for DIYers who want the most trusted spray-on brand. Not for anyone wanting truly plug and play. At $129.99, the brand most pro shops actually spray. Want the name truck guys swear by? Grab the kit. Now, the number 1 pick. The only liner on this list that needs 0 painting and installs in 30 minutes. The number 1 best truck bed liner is the Bedrug Classic. The only liner on this list that requires 0 painting, 0 curing, 0 prep. Every other product here means sanding, fumes, multiple coats, and a truck out of service for at least a day. The Bedrug skips all of it. First, 3/4-inch polypropylene foam. Soft on knees when loading heavy gear, impact absorbing under dropped tools, skid resistant so cargo doesn't shift. Second, waterproof, chemical, and stain resistant. Water drains through the factory bed holes. Hose, power wash, or vacuum it clean. Third, 30-minute install with included fasteners and prep pads. Drop in, secure, drive same day. Cons: vehicle-specific fitment. Must match your year, model, and bed length. Most expensive option on the list. Carpeted texture isn't for everyone. Best for owners who want serious bed protection without the painting headache. Not for heavy industrial loads or bare bones budgets. At $479.95, the most premium DIY liner you can install in your driveway. Done with painting? This is the answer. And that's the 7 best truck bed liners in 2026. From a cheap touch-up can to a premium drop-in. Drop a comment below. Which one are you grabbing and what truck are you putting it in? Links in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.